Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started, shall we? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a Christmas candle. Yay! You will need the following materials: paper, a pair of scissors. Always remember to ask for help from an adult when handling this sharp object. Then a marker pen, a glue stick, colored pencils, and finally a ruler. All these materials can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Make 2 thin rectangular strips. You will need your ruler and your piece of paper. So just hold, let's turn it the other way like this with your ruler on your left hand. And then as wide as the ruler is, just take your strip of paper, hold it from the other end, and rip off the first strip like this. And let's do it for the second strip. And here you go, 2 thin rectangular strips. Step 2, stick one strip on top of the other as follows. So take your glue stick, roll it up, dab some on the farthest end of one of the strips, and then take this other strip and stick it on top like this. So you have an L shape. Then let's do some weaving. So the first one goes in, crease it down, pull up the second one, then continue weaving. So we're making a pattern. By now I'm sure you can understand how the pattern works. So we're just going over and above either of the strips like this. On to the last one now. Even these ones, the small ones, we'll just weave them inside like this to finish off everything. So when opened, you'll have something like this, an accordion fold. Looks nice, right? Step 3, cut out a small leaf shape and color it yellow to make the flame of the candle. Okay, let's draw the small leaf shape. Like this. And then let's cut it out. Just cut along the black marking. Like this. Then we color it yellow. Let's open a nice set of colors and start the coloring. Just do a nice shade of yellow. Can even add some orange to the flame. This is good enough. Now let's make a black marking at the center of our flame for the wick. Just like that. Now we're done. Finally, stick the flame as follows to complete the candle. Okay, we all remember the candle. So what we want to do is to fold this flaps inwards like this, so that we just have a neat finish on top of it like this. And then just make a folding on your flame. We'll go here. Let's do the sticking now and complete the candle. Done! It's somewhere. Then stretch out the fold a bit, that you unwind the accordion fold. But it is done. So here is our candle. You can see the flame, the wick, and the rest of the base. Don't forget to send in photos of your project using the hashtag TBC Kids Club for a chance to win fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, in the next activity, I'll be showing you how to make a Christmas card. You will need the following materials: cotton twine, a pair of scissors, glue stick, marker pen, paper, cardstock, and finally a ruler. All these materials can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Fold your A4 size cardstock as follows. So let's start the folding with the long side facing us. This is the long side. Just fold it in half. Make sure the edges touch each other. Do a nice half fold. If you do that, crease down this other end. You can even do it with the help of a ruler, like this, so that you get a nice crisp fold. Here you go. Step 2, cut out 2 triangles of equal size from the other pieces of paper. Let's begin by drawing one triangle. So it's just a 3-sided figure. You will need a ruler for this. Just make sure your triangle is not bigger than the A5 sized cardstock, because that will be the base on which we will be working on. So like this one, I'll just cut it out and measure it on the card and see if it will fit. So let's cut it out and see. Good. This is a nice fit. So we can do the same also. We'll cut out another triangle. Just using this first one. I'll just try and hold my paper very steady. But you're free to first draw a triangle and then cut it out, just tracing from this outline. So here are the triangles. Step 3, stick the triangles together as follows. So here are the two triangles stuck to each other. Step 4, make a bow using the cotton twine as follows. Unwind your twine like this. Not a very large chunk. This will be enough. Then make a bow. This is the same way you tie your shoelaces. Tighten it. Then just pull like that. A bow like this isn't bad. Then cut off the string. That. This is what you have. Then we want to stick this bow at the center top of our card, right above the triangles like this. So just take your glue . Just hold it there for a while till it completely dries. There. So here is the bow already stuck onto the card. Finally, sign off your card with a message of your choice. I'm going to write Merry Christmas. Okay? So take your marker pen and just start from one end. You can do cursive, you can do just a normal print. Merry Christmas. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload photos of your projects using the hashtag TBCKidsClub. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. See you next time. Bye.